Hey, this is a new box I just built. I'm building it for a buddy who has got a Ford F-150 crew cab, and it goes in the back seat because he's got some limited space back there. So what we did is built this, and it sits in the center. Where in my Jeep it's not in the center, but it will be in his truck because I got a hump right down there. But I got in the Jeep right now just to test it out before I give it to him. Make sure I got all the bugs worked out. Right now we're using these Alpine 10 inches. I think they're kind of wore out, but they sound really good. They're in a nice box. Just finished it today. Probably put some kickers in it or something when we get some money going. But yeah, I'll give you a little demo. Let him see, let you see what's going on, because he hasn't seen them play really. So yeah, we'll do a demo.
I ride around the town, bitch, I gotta keep it real. I wake your bitches up with the speakers in the grill. Bitches, you better pump that and then you can feel. I'm shaking, I ain't got the shit. I ain't got a deal when I'm riding on dumps in the street. Got a slump with the radio's on. Turn up cause the nigga stud. I squad in the car when we rolling up the blood. I was slapping on my bitch, slapping on my blood. You don't gotta front.
There's a demo. That's on like 100 watts. I think total these should take about 500 together, RMS. So we're getting, 20%. But either way, they sound really good. Man, they're shaking my mirrors and that little bit of door flex and all that. Just these two, 10 inches, and yep, 210s are louder than 112. Just saying. Even these underpowered ones. But yeah, I got some filler in the box too, like polyfill. Gonna get that, and they should sound good after I do that too. So there's the box. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to my buddy pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Here's a little teaser.